Hi, Andrew from Redfoot Levelling. I'm here today to show you a great product of ours, which is our remote control operated hydraulic levelling system that will lift this Unimog truck weighing around about 11-12 tonne. So let me show you what the product does and how it works. So what this system will have 4 large hydraulic levelling jacks you'll see down here that'll expand up to about 1 metre in height. So that gives you plenty of clearance, plenty of extension to lift the truck when required to level up. So I'm going to also show you today what the pump system looks like. So this is the hydraulic pump we have here. You'll see it's a nice steel 30-odd litre tank, and we need that because we're running around 28 litres to fully extend these jacks, and these jacks have the capacity to lift around about 28 tonne. So they're a really large jacking system. And what we're lifting on this, as I said before, is around the 12 tonne mark. But the other purpose of why we're using the telescopic rams is the rams will retract right out of the way when in travel, so it's not going to impede any departure clearance. So as you can see here, this is the complete system. So it actually has the motor at the front, the 12-volt DC motor that actually runs the system. It then connects to our manifold block here. It has all the hoses connecting into it, and then your reservoir, which has all the fluid in it. Then also connected to the actual motor is the control unit. The control unit will actually talk wirelessly to this handy remote, and it will allow you to operate the system very easily by pushing a few buttons. That's how simple it is. There you have it, guys. If you want to know more about the remote control operated hydraulic Redfoot levelling system for this type of vehicle, just visit us at redfootlevelling.com.au.